Welcome, young explorers. Today we journey into the heart of West Africa to discover the fascinating world of African mythology, where powerful deities shape the lives of the people. Our adventure begins with Olorun, the supreme deity of the Yoruba people, the king of the gods, ruler of the sky and the heavens. Olorun's kingdom is vast and unimaginable, a realm where the sky stretches beyond sight, filled with light and energy. His presence is everywhere, in the sun's rays, the moon's glow, and the stars that twinkle above. Olorun's power is said to have created the universe itself. In the beginning there was nothing but endless chaos. With his mighty will, Olorun brought order and light to the darkness, creating the heavens and the earth. Though Olorun is the highest of the gods, he is not alone. The Yoruba pantheon includes many other deities known as the Orisha, each with their own unique powers. But it is Olorun who rules them all, from his celestial throne. One of Olorun's most significant acts was the creation of humanity. After shaping the earth, Olorun breathed life into the first humans, making them his children, guiding them with his wisdom and love. Throughout history, Olorun has intervened in the lives of humans, offering guidance, protection, and power. His influence is seen in moments of great triumph, where his light shines through in times of darkness. The sun, Olorun's most powerful creation, is a symbol of his presence. Every sunrise and sunset is a reminder of his eternal reign over the sky. It is through the sun that Olorun communicates his will to the world. In Yoruba cosmology, Olorun is seen as the center of all things. He governs not only the heavens but also the earth below, with the Orisha serving as intermediaries to guide human destiny. At the heart of Olorun's realm is the sacred tree of life, a symbol of the interconnectedness of all living things. It is said that the roots of this tree reach deep into the earth, while its branches touch the very heavens, representing the flow of divine energy. The moon, a creation of Olorun, carries his wisdom and insight. It is said that the moon reflects Olorun's guidance, offering protection and wisdom to those who seek it under its light. In many myths, Olorun is not just a creator but also a sustainer. His eternal energy ensures that all creation thrives, from the smallest insect to the mightiest mountain. Olorun's union with Olorun, the goddess of the sea, symbolizes the balance between the heavens and the earth. Their marriage is the foundation of the cosmic order, bringing harmony to the natural world. Olorun's light is a symbol of purity and truth. It is said that when he shines his light on a person or a community, they are blessed with wisdom, prosperity, and peace. Olorun often calls upon a divine council of gods and Orisha to help govern the world. They assist him in maintaining balance, ensuring that all things are in harmony with the cosmic law. The harvest is a sacred time, a moment when Olorun's blessings manifest in the form of abundant crops. His power ensures that the earth provides nourishment to those who honor him. Olorun is worshipped in grand temples where his followers gather to pay homage and seek his divine favor. His worship is not just about rituals but about living in harmony with the universe. Sacred songs dedicated to Olorun fill the air during festivals and ceremonies. These songs carry the power of the divine, calling upon Olorun's blessing and inviting his presence into the world. Olorun's realm is fiercely protected by powerful beings who ensure that no evil forces can enter. These guardians act as protectors of the divine order, keeping the balance intact. Olorun's power extends into the afterlife, where the souls of the departed are guided by his light toward a peaceful and harmonious existence beyond the physical world. Olorun is also the ruler of the elemental forces, controlling the winds, rains, and fires that sustain life. His will is what guides these forces to ensure balance in the world. Olorun's children, the humans, are entrusted with the earth and its resources. It is through their actions that the divine order is maintained, as they live according to Olorun's wisdom. When the balance of the world is threatened, his wrath can bring about storms, floods, and destruction. Olorun's message to humanity is clear: live in harmony with nature, honor the divine order, and respect the balance of life. It is through these principles that we find peace and prosperity. The festival of Olorun is a grand celebration, where people come together to honor the king of the gods. It is a time of joyous feasting, dancing, and offering gratitude for his blessings. Olorun's reign is eternal. His light will never fade, and his power will continue to guide the world for as long as the heavens remain in the sky. Olorun's influence stretches far beyond West Africa. His legacy continues to inspire millions, reminding us of the power of creation, light, and harmony in our lives. As we look to the future, we can all carry the blessings of Olorun with us. His wisdom teaches us to live in balance with nature, respect the divine, and honor the light within ourselves. As our journey through the fascinating world of African mythology comes to an end, remember the mighty Olorun, ruler of the heavens and the creator of all. His story is one of light, power, and wisdom that continues to shape the lives of millions. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the world around you.